Imagine you and your best friend live in different parts of town. How would you figure out the exact distance between your two houses? Let's find out. On a grid, horizontal distance means how far left or right. Vertical distance means how far up or down. We subtract the coordinates to find each one. Here are points A and B on the same horizontal line. The horizontal distance is x2 minus x1. That's 5 minus 1, which equals 4 units. When points aren't on the same line, we form a right triangle. The distance formula is the square root of the horizontal distance squared plus the vertical distance squared. Example 1. Find the distance from A 12 to B 55. Horizontal distance is 5 minus 1, that's 4. Vertical distance is 5 minus 2, that's 3. Four squared is 16, 3 squared is 9. Add them. 16 plus 9 equals 25. The square root of 25 is 5. The distance is 5 units. Now the mediator. The mediator of a segment is the line that cuts it exactly in half at a right angle. It passes through the midpoint and is perpendicular. Example 2. Find the midpoint of P, 21 and Q, 87. Add the x values and divide by 2. Add the y values and divide by 2. Midpoint is 5, 4. The mediator's slope is the negative reciprocal of the segment's slope. Slope of PQ is 1, so the mediator's slope is negative 1. Its equation passes through M. Common mistake. Students often subtract coordinates in the wrong order. Remember, it doesn't matter which point is first in the distance formula because we square the result. Remember, DMP. Distance uses the square root formula. Midpoint averages the coordinates, and the perpendicular bisector goes through the midpoint at 90 degrees. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning and ace your exams.